Resetting a Genie garage door opener clears all remotes and keypads from memory. This is useful if you've lost a remote, moved, or want to ensure only authorized devices can operate the door. Step 1. Clear all remotes. Locate the program or set button on the motor unit. Press and hold it until the blue or purple indicator light turns on, then release. The light will begin flashing. Step 2. Erase memory. Press and hold the up and down arrow buttons at the same time. Continue holding until the lights turn completely off. This removes all previously programmed remotes from memory. Step 3. Reset wireless keypad optional. If your keypad has a program button and an up-down button, press and hold both together for about 5 seconds. The light will flash twice and turn off, resetting the keypad to the default pin 357. Alternative reset method. If the above steps don't work, unplug the opener from power for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Limitation. After clearing memory, any remote or keypad you still want to use must be reprogrammed individually. Conclusion. Resetting a Genie opener involves holding the program button, then pressing the up-down arrows until the lights go off. The keypad can be reset separately. Power cycling is a fallback option if the standard method fails. All devices must be reprogrammed after the reset.